I have recently encountered an interesting issue regarding relative and absolute imports in Python. It caused a bug that took quite some time to solve. The solution, however, was very simple. This type of problem can easily occur in code that does not have strict requirements for styling and is thus worth talking about. Let's try to reproduce the issue with a simple example. We will create a sample package which includes an init file and another file student.py. The init file is empty and it's there to make the folder work as a package, and the student.py file contains a simple student class. Then in the app folder, start the Python interpreter and write these 3 lines of code. We import the student class using a relative path and an absolute path, respectively. If you are unable to import the student class in the interpreter, you can exit the interpreter and run this command to change the Python path environment variable, which makes it possible to import packages both from the current folder and from the parent folder. Now let's compare the student classes imported relatively and absolutely. Surprisingly, it shows they are different. If we try to create an instance using one of the classes, it shows the object is not the instance of the other class imported in a different way. Interesting. But why? Well, it happens because student relative and student absolute are in different namespaces since they come from different modules. You can inspect the module of a class in Python using the module magical property. It shows student relative and student absolute are imported from different modules and are thus in different namespaces. Therefore, it should be noted that the import paths do matter a lot in Python. You may be wondering why would this happen if the instance and the class are written in the same file. You won't import the class twice. Yes, it won't happen if all the code is written in the same file. However, it can easily happen if the code is written in different files. For example, you create the instance in one file and then check it in another file. The issue is especially common when the code in different files is written by different developers, as they may have different habits to import modules. Therefore, a good lesson to learn here is to have a uniform type of imports. Use either relative or absolute imports, but not both. Otherwise, you may have unexpected issues in your application. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel for more content.